If you're a maintenance and reliability leader, you know it takes a lot to keep a facility working smoothly. You're constantly facing issues like equipment failure, safety, compliance, ready parts inventory, and inefficiencies. But to control costs and manage all these moving parts, you need a strong maintenance and reliability strategy. You need eMaint. eMaint allows you to connect your maintenance teams, gather asset condition data, and integrate your enterprise systems. Why are we so successful? eMaint offers solutions not just from day one, but for the full reliability journey. eMaint has 3 interlocking capabilities. Adaptive configuration means you can work the way you want to without feeling constrained by your software. With our Excelix framework, we connect your data, giving you the insight to make the right data-driven decision at the right time and gain end-to-end connectivity, revealing a complete picture of asset information. Connected systems mean you can easily work across multiple platforms. And the connected team means enhanced visibility and documentation. eMaint is dedicated to your success. 98% of our enterprise clients return year after year. So join the 50,000 plus successful eMaint users worldwide. And call us today for a free demo.